and welcome to Mrs. Brown's online classroom. Today we're looking at absolute value and where it is on the order of operations. Well, let's start by a quick review of the order of operations. Order of operations starts out with grouping symbols, followed by exponents, followed by multiplication or division from left to right, and addition or subtraction from left to right. Now, grouping symbols, you're like, wait, wasn't that supposed to be parentheses? Well, parentheses are a grouping symbol, and actually a lot of you probably learned PEMDAS for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And that's great, except that there's more things that go on this step than just parentheses. There's things like the fraction bar, it's a grouping symbol, and things like absolute value. So absolute value is actually considered a grouping symbol, and it is the first step on the order of operations, which is why we always use GEMDAS in my class and not PEMDAS. Alright, so if it's the first step on the order of operations, that means if I have stuff inside the absolute value, I need to take care of that first. So 18 minus 3 is 15. And then the absolute value of 15, just 15. That's it. Okay. If you take a look here, you see how they're in separate houses. This one, they were like in the same house, so we did the subtraction and then we took the absolute value. Well, here it's like they have their own individual houses, so we have to take the absolute value of 7 and the absolute value of -8 and then go ahead and add them together. So the absolute value of 7 is 7, the absolute value of -8 is 8, and 8 plus 7 would be 15. Okay, and again here, you look, first thing you see, you got separate houses, so we got to take the absolute values first and then do the subtraction problem. So the absolute value of -13 is 13, the absolute value of 4 is 4, and 13 minus 4 is 9. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.